We have three main ways that allow us to lock the screen on Realme GT 7T. The first option is to simply press the power button. If you press the button once, you will quickly lock the screen on your phone. Another way to lock the screen is with a simple double tap gesture, but in order to make it work, first we need to open settings. And then in the settings, go to home screen and lock settings. In this case, you should be able to find a double tap to lock. We need to make sure that this option is enabled, and then we can double tap an empty space on the home screen to lock the screen. So when we are in the home screen, you can just double tap, and as you can see, the phone is locked. Now, besides that, another way to lock the screen is by going to settings once again. This time we're gonna scroll all the way down and open accessibility and convenience. Then we have to go to accessibility and then open accessibility menu and turn on this shortcut. Press allow and then OK. Now tap on this button that we just created, and as you can see over here, we have lock screen options. So if you tap on it, you will lock the screen. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.